Hi everybody and welcome to Living Between Paychecks Kitchen. I'm Oz.
And I'm Jack.
And today we're just going to kind of break everything down, what we use here in the kitchen, utensils and pots and pans wise. Because if you're here, you're broke or you don't fucking know what you're doing. So you'll be able to go through, and this is just a bare bones basic what you need in your kitchen to make what we're going to be making here.
Alright, so first up we have our measuring cups. Quarter, third, half, and 1 whole cup. Our brand new hot dog fork for whenever you need to roast the hot dog. A basic spatula.
Plastic.
Basic plastic spatula. Really long knife for whenever you need to take care of something. And 2 spoons.
Like the neighbor's dog?
Preferably non-metal spoons. This stuff is all picked up for maybe like 50 cents at a local store.
Alright, so you're going to need yourself a pot with or without a lid. If you've got a lid, that helps. If you don't, use a glass plate. You want a skillet, preferably one of these ones with no stick on it. Have you enough to beat somebody to death with if they break in while you're cooking. And get you a cookie sheet, right? Make sure it fits your oven. Make sure it's got a top and a bottom. That's a joke. It's just one big flat piece. Jeez. Get your stove. Make sure you're going to have your stove top with that one favorite burner everybody uses. You're going to want an oven, whether it's beside you, below you. Then you're going to want a crock pot. We don't have one. We got to go pay off our layaway, but we'll have it soon. So now you got a basic idea of what you're going to need in your own kitchens and what you're going to need to keep up and cook all this really cheap food here with us.
Anyway, thanks for joining us on Living Between Paychecks Kitchen. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you next time.
Share it, please. We need all the views we can get. Please, we're poor. We're poor for a reason. That's why we're here. Thank you.